These are bow staff basic techniques. We have an overhead front strike. So you bring it up and it goes to your hip. Then we have an up and down. Then we have side to side. Now this is called 4-point. So it goes up to your shoulder, down, side, side. Up to your shoulder, down, side, side. We have a front thrust, similar to sword. You step and you thrust. Then we have a reverse thrust. Turn all the way back. Front, reverse. Now we have an uppercut. So you go into a back stance. It's like it creates this J. So it's an uppercut, down and up. Make sure it's on your hip. Then we have an overhead rib strike. Overhead rib. So it goes over and it creates a C. So you go to the ribs, and then we have an overhead knee strike. The same thing, but you hit the knee. And then we have a block. High block, low block. Side block, side block. These are your basic bow staff techniques.